In the digital age, machines are no longer just tools, they are partners in driving innovation and efficiency across industries. Their role in automating tasks, analyzing data, and optimizing processes is integral to the success of modern enterprises. At SamTech, we delve into the ways these technological marvels are revolutionizing our work and enhancing our capabilities. Smart farming machines, such as autonomous drones, soil sensors, and AI-powered analytics, are cultivating efficiency in agriculture. These technologies enable precision farming, reducing resource usage and increasing crop yields. By embracing smart farming, farmers can meet the challenges of food security and sustainability. Automated construction technologies, including robotic bricklayers, 3D concrete printers, and AI-based planning tools, are redefining building standards. These innovations ensure faster construction, improved safety, and cost savings. By integrating automated construction technologies, companies can create durable and sustainable structures. High-tech manufacturing machines like AI-driven quality control systems, robotic assembly lines, and advanced material printers are innovating production lines. These technologies enhance product quality, reduce waste, and increase flexibility. By adopting high-tech manufacturing, businesses can adapt quickly to market demands. Future transport solutions, such as autonomous electric vehicles, smart public transit systems, and drone deliveries, are enhancing mobility and reducing carbon footprints. These machines provide efficient, eco-friendly alternatives to traditional transport. By investing in future transport solutions, cities can improve urban living standards. Clean energy technologies, including advanced solar panels, wind turbine optimization systems, and smart grids, are powering a sustainable future. These innovations reduce reliance on fossil fuels and enhance energy efficiency. By integrating clean energy technologies, communities can achieve energy independence and combat climate change. Telehealth innovations, featuring virtual consultation platforms, AI diagnostics, and remote patient monitoring devices, are transforming healthcare delivery. These technologies improve access to medical services, enhance patient care, and reduce healthcare costs. By adopting telehealth solutions, healthcare providers can offer timely and personalized care. Next-gen communication networks, including 6G research, satellite-based internet, and quantum communication systems, are connecting the world at unprecedented speeds and security levels. These networks facilitate seamless communication and data transfer. By leveraging next-gen communication technologies, businesses can operate more efficiently and securely. AI-enhanced retail machines, such as intelligent inventory systems, personalized shopping assistance, and automated checkout solutions, are redefining the shopping experience. These innovations provide tailored customer experiences and optimize store operations. By integrating AI in retail, businesses can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Sustainable mining machines, like eco-friendly extraction tools, AI-driven safety monitoring systems, and autonomous transport vehicles, ensure responsible resource use. These technologies minimize environmental impact and enhance worker safety. By adopting sustainable mining practices, companies can contribute to a greener future. Culinary robotics, featuring automated chefs, smart kitchen appliances, and AI-driven recipe platforms, are innovating food preparation. These machines ensure consistency, reduce preparation time, and enhance food safety. By leveraging culinary robotics, restaurants can deliver high-quality meals efficiently. Blockchain innovations, including decentralized finance platforms, smart contracts, and digital identity verification, are transforming financial services. These technologies enhance transaction security, reduce costs, and increase transparency. By adopting blockchain solutions, financial institutions can streamline operations and improve customer trust. Smart logistics technologies, such as AI-driven route optimization, real-time tracking systems, and autonomous delivery vehicles, are optimizing supply chains. These innovations enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. By integrating smart logistics solutions, businesses can meet growing consumer demands effectively. Advanced engineering tools, including AI-powered design software, robotic prototyping systems, and virtual reality simulations, are driving innovation in product development. These technologies enable rapid prototyping, accurate simulations, and customized designs. By leveraging advanced engineering tools, companies can accelerate their development cycles and introduce innovative products. Predictive analytics machines, featuring big data analysis platforms, machine learning algorithms, and decision support systems, are enhancing decision-making across industries. These technologies provide actionable insights, forecast trends, and identify opportunities. By utilizing predictive analytics, businesses can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Space tech innovations, featuring reusable spacecraft, advanced propulsion systems, and AI-driven exploration tools, are exploring new frontiers. These technologies facilitate space exploration, satellite deployment, and space tourism. By advancing space tech innovations, humanity can unlock new opportunities and expand its knowledge of the universe. Industrial IoT machines, such as smart sensors, connected devices, and real-time monitoring systems, are driving the industrial revolution. These technologies optimize operations, reduce downtime, and enhance productivity. By adopting industrial IoT solutions, companies can transform their industrial processes and gain a competitive edge. Machines are not just tools but catalysts for growth and innovation in the modern era. At Sam Tech, we continue to explore the endless possibilities that these technologies offer, shaping the future of work and industry. As we navigate through the digital age, the integration of machines in our daily operations will be vital to achieving new levels of efficiency, sustainability, and success.